So I say, tired of looking around me at all the hurt that's in the world today. Everybody, there is pestilence, starvation, and war. Why? Why? 'Cause we call it human nature, but why? Why? Do we do it this way? We say, why? 'Cause we call it human nature, but why? Why? Do we do it this way? So one sitting down in my backyard, I ask the Father above, I say, why is this unnatural order happening in the world? He said, sit and be still and listen to me, and you will know that I am God. So I listen to the birds in the trees and the wind blowing the leaves. I looked around. The birds, they started talking to me, and the trees, they whispered softly. A cat came up and started speaking. I looked him in both his eyes. I got a can of tuna fish. I started feeding him from my fingertips. They all told me, why? And 'cause you call it human nature, why? Do you do it that way when you see us all around you? The trees, the sky, the birds, and everything acting out what they're supposed to do, but not mankind. No, we just think that we can do whatever we want and that we're gods. So I was sitting there with my dad, sitting there with all the animals, sitting in peace and understanding. Finally answers about why? 'Cause we call it human nature, why? Do we do it that way? I say, why? 'Cause we call it human nature, why? Do we do it that way?